In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view two calendars in Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to compare schedules side by side so you can spot conflicts and plan faster. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search page. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. Click the official Microsoft Outlook link to open Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your mailbox. Next, switch to your calendar. Look for the calendar icon in the left sidebar. It often appears along the bottom set of icons alongside Mail and People. Click it to open the calendar view. On the left, you'll see your calendar list. This panel may be labeled My Calendars, Other Calendars, or Shared Calendars. Find the two calendars you want to compare and make sure both boxes are checked. When a calendar is checked, it becomes visible on the main grid. Each calendar is color-coded, which makes it easier to tell them apart. If the list is collapsed, just click the small arrow next to a group to expand it. If you don't see a calendar you expect, use the search bar in the calendar pane or scroll. Sometimes calendars are tucked in a different section. With both calendars selected, you might initially see an overlay view, where events stack on top of each other in one grid. To place them side by side, look at the top of the page for the Split View option. Click Split View, and you'll immediately see each calendar in its own column. This is especially helpful when comparing time slots, since you can scan across and find a window that works for both calendars. If you prefer the overlay again, you can click the same button to toggle back. A quick tip for clarity: switch to day, week, or work week at the top if you're currently in month view. Side-by-side comparisons are much easier to read in a day or week layout. You can also adjust colors by right-clicking a calendar name in the list and choosing a different color, which helps prevent confusion if both calendars use similar hues. If one calendar is more important, drag its name higher in the list. Many views prioritize the top calendar's position. That's it. Open Outlook, go to Calendar, check the two calendars you need, and turn on Split View. With those steps, you'll be able to compare schedules at a glance and coordinate meetings with confidence.